Easy patch number 11, Bead Plaster Repair. Easy Patch 11 is available in 1 pound, 3 pound, 10 pound, and 50 pound sizes in many colors. Just put dry material needed into a bucket. Add enclosed liquid acrylic bonder admixture. If you're not using the whole repair kit, you can just put 1/4 of the bottle to 1/4 of the dry mix, and so on. Then add water to Easy Patch 11 and mix thoroughly. You want it to be about the consistency of mashed potatoes. This is an area on a bead plaster pool that we already chipped out all the loose area and cleaned it with water and scrubbed it with a sponge. We made sure to chip down straight down on the edges and not bank them, because with the beads it would be real difficult to make the edges look right. Fill in the area firmly with the Easy Patch 11. Scrape off any excess, because you want that level with the surrounding area. During the course of this repair, you will be spending extra time detailing the edges. You want to detail the edges early on in doing this repair. See how the trowel is held on the existing bead plaster as a guide to get the right level with the trowel. Just remove any excess as you go. On the edges, you drag some of the material from more of the center of the repair to bring it to the edges to fill in the edges. When you do a cement repair, the moisture in the repair materials will always be coming to the surface, especially the more you trowel it. The more you trowel it, the slower it will actually set. Now we're using a sponge to detail the edges and remove excess. It's also a good tool to finish out the edges to be flush without any voids. We're also going to be using the sponge to expose the beads in the bead plaster. And that is done by removing some of the cement at the top to expose the beads. Sometimes you have to take a little bit of material and work it into any voids that is going to be a little stubborn when you're trying to fill them in with a trowel. Now we're cleaning off the surrounding area. You want to keep cleaning your sponge quite frequently, or there'll still be a residue left on the surface of the existing plaster. If you wait too long to clean off that excess, you'll find it tougher to clean up. Another way to expose the beads on the bead plaster is by using a bug sprayer with a fine spray. And you always start at the top and work down. On a repair like this, you'd spray off about the top half, spray it lightly, and then wait about 5 seconds for the water to run down. And then you can really see how much you've removed when the water's come off the surface, and then you hit it some more until it matches the surrounding area. Little more touch-up. If you run across a stubborn dry spot, you can always slightly rub it with your fingertips to loosen it up, and then either sponge it or use a bug sprayer or some type of water spray that's a fine spray without a lot of heavy pressure to expose the beads.